Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad to have you here. If you're into tech tips, smart gadgets, and easy to follow tutorials, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update. Let's get started. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps to reset your TP-Link RE505X Wi-Fi range extender back to its original factory settings. This can help fix connection issues or prepare the device for a fresh setup. Resetting the TP-Link RE505X is necessary when you're facing connection issues, forgot the password, or need to reconfigure it. A factory reset clears all settings, restoring the extender to default, so you can start fresh with a new setup. Begin by plugging your TP-Link AX1500 into a power outlet close to your main router. Wait patiently for about 30 seconds until the power LED becomes solid, indicating that the extender has successfully powered on and is ready for setup. Next, grab your phone, tablet, or computer and go to your Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network called TP-Link Extender and connect to it. You won't need a password at this point. Next, locate the reset button on the side of your TP-Link RE505X extender. It's a tiny pinhole labeled reset, usually positioned near the power port. You'll need a paperclip or pin to press it during the reset process. Take a paperclip or pin and gently press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 seconds. Keep holding until the power LED begins to blink. This blinking light indicates that the TP-Link RE505X extender is now resetting to factory defaults. After holding the reset button, release it and give the extender a minute or two to fully reboot. During this time, the LEDs may blink. Once the power LED turns solid again, the reset process is complete and the extender is ready. Your TP-Link RE505X has now been successfully restored to its factory default settings. It's ready for a fresh setup, whether you choose the quick WPS method or the manual setup via the web interface. You can now begin reconfiguring it. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our expert support team is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance or troubleshooting. Just give us a call at 1-323-507-3713, we're here for you. And that's the complete process to reset your TP-Link RE505X Wi-Fi extender. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. Thanks a lot for watching.